Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Today I'm going to talk about the latest round of escalation with the Haiti situation, the Haitian crisis. We keep giving you updates because we're telling already it's an Iron problem. When you have troops deployed in another country, it's your problem. Especially considering Haiti, they're right beside the Iron. You see, Kenya alright, you know. Because if this thing really gets spooky, I mean real spooky, where the Haitian gangs them start to get adventurous with their plans, them look about them now gonna reach Kenya, you know. Can't reach Iron though. The latest round of escalation involved shooting up planes as them land. The latest stunt being pulled by the Haitian gangs is to shoot up planes as them land. I'm going to tell you why that strategy take things to a whole different level. Last update I get, you see them kill over 100 people in Haiti. Over 100 people in one night. When it comes on to the international community, when it comes on to the world, when it comes on to certain people who have interest, right, in the Caribbean and the broader geopolitical arena, 115 Haitians dying in one day don't mean a thing. 1,015 Haitians dying in one day don't mean a thing. You know what make people sit up and take notice? When you start shut up and playing them. I wonder if you realize the strategy where the Haitian gang them are used. They are very upset. So people quote unquote send troops to go deal with them. Not to mention, recently there was a change in political leader again. Some people are saying the money them get out, them shouldn't get him out. It wasn't a fair process, all kind of things. The gangs are not missing any opportunity, right, to make it known, say, that them not only dead out, they're as strong as ever, but they can do what them feel like. The man them a shoot up plane as them land. Shoot up plane as them land. You might have seen the videos of a Spirit airline where them shut up. So now Uncle Sam has responded by banning flights to Haiti for 30 days. The FAA has banned flights to Haiti for 30 days, and if the situation don't get better, ban go continue. Them plane they not just carry Haitians who go back to Haiti, but them carry tourists. Yes, Haiti still get tourists throughout all the situation, and the quote-unquote humanitarian aid. So, I want to realize that the gangs them, I think, bigger. This might look like a wild man thing. Just fire up some shot on some plane. But they know what they are doing. Because them keep and make them demands and I make them talk and them say, yeah, nah, listen. Killing 115 people in one night wasn't enough for you listen. Killing 115 Haitians in one night wasn't enough to bring you to the negotiating table. So them realize, oh, we're not business about people. We know what we're business about. International travel, commerce, shipping, the ports. This is a similar tactic that them use in a certain parts of the world. We don't talk about certain organizations in Yemen and them places. Somalia and them place. So when time them want to make a statement, you know them attack? The shipping ports. They ship them, or carry the goods them, because the whole world are going to take notice now. So now you have ships that get escorted by military vessels. What Haiti are going to do? Send an F-16 fighter jet for escort every single plane. Where Haiti are get the jet from? They don't have none. Who I give them? Uncle Sam? Nah, give them. So what happened when time the plane can't go in a Haiti? Remember, so Uncle Sam are the biggest market, you know. But what happened when time, not just American planes, but no plane at all, now go Haiti? This strategy is an extraordinary escalation on the part of the gangs, but to show you how far they're willing to go. And once again, what is the local Haitian saying? The people them only claims that they are to help we and take on the gangs them. Can't take them on. And not only that, the gang them turn it up a notch since the international force arrived. The 100 odd people dead after the international force arrived. Shooting up plane as them a land. That's when the international force will say them a go help restore order. The Haiti arrived. So now people are looking like then where are they? And I'm asking the question, what are they doing here? The 20 little bit of Jamaicans are deployed and needed. They're not needed. No for the store them want to fly on the internet a unicorn meet. People are saying, oh, JDF they go do this to this and do this to that. So them things say Haiti is a place where 20, 200, 400, any army mean nothing to Haitian people. Them things say Haitians are going to use a 20 JDF personnel deploy and man start run up and down. Them are going to use 400 Kenyan police get deployed and Haitians them start run up and down. Haitian gangs cut heart out of chest. You're not going to intimidate them. You have to crush them totally. And 400 Kenyans and 20 Arimanians cannot do that. Much larger forces couldn't do it. Hell, the Emperor Napoleon and his French forces couldn't do it back then. Can't do it now. So what does this mean for Ariman? Well, if the Haitian them keep or escalate them statements them to the point that they're now stopping planes from dropping in their own country, the next question is how far they're willing to go. They're making a statement regarding who and who will get leadership. When one man have power, when the next side not like that, big attack go on. Plus they're also making a statement that they want international forces gone. We've seen this before. For the people of Ariman's sake and your leader's sake, them better hope Haitians keep them hanky-panky to Haiti. Because if they keep raising the bar, and the big problem with that is that the easiest country for Haitians to reach is Jamaica. Now of course Haitian gangs don't have aircraft carriers, but they don't need them. Jamaica's borders are porous. Jamaicans easily go Haiti. That means the Haitians can easily go Jamaica. Jamaican 87s go Haiti go bust gun. It can work the next way around. You're not dealing with clansmen and one another here. You're dealing with the type of people who are willing to make no plane no come at the country to prove them point. You're dealing with people who can kill 115 humans in one night. Jamaica is too close to Haiti. If Haiti want to make a point, the easiest country to reach is Jamaica. These are things your leaders should have considered. The show your face operation is a waste of time. That is what happens when you send 120 troops. You show your face. Because 20 man can't do nothing in Haiti. But in the process of showing your face, you're now seen as the enemy. This operation should have nothing to do with Jamaica in the first place, but here we are. The stakes are even higher. They're pushing a stick in the side of a bear. A bear that is undefeated. Haiti beat everything it ever fight. Haiti destroy everybody that ever come against to the point where Haiti destroy itself. Haitians war so much that they can't stop war even themselves. But it's when they give them the excuse to go war somebody. That's not their fellow countryman. The locals are asking the question, where the international force there for? And when you lose the locals, you really lose the war. So leader guy and Arimanians think long and hard about the type of country where gangs will stop plane from land my country to a point. Plane. Leader change and them not like what go on. Them shut up plane. So plane can't land. Any gang in Jamaica ever try that? That the gang they don't find in 7 days. Any gang in Jamaica ever try that? Any gang in Jamaica ever make the golden goose? Feather. Just one feather from the golden goose drop out. Everything that a gang they gone. From the 87 to the 90 to the 116 to the kerosene. All the lookout man are dead. There's only a handful of countries grimy so. If you do that, and get way. Haiti one of them. Yemen one of them. Somalia one of them. Mexico one of them. Remember in Mexico, when the cartels them want to make a point, them just escalate things so high, that's the government come to negotiating table. Right, that the Haitian them do. They're escalating things so high, that's them force people to come to negotiating table. Ironman gangs don't have the same leverage because them know said them can get dust out in 7 days. Every gang in Jamaica, every don in Jamaica is very aware. Say if the call come down, man get dust out. The MP we normally link with, the squad we normally link with, all that can stop in 7 days. If him cross the line. In Haiti there is no line because the Haitian government can't do nothing. He can't stop them. It's like in Lebanon, Hezbollah in Lebanon. The Lebanon government can't stop Hezbollah. All they can do is make noise. Hezbollah do as they please. That's what's happening in Haiti right now. Are the gangs there? 400 Kenyans can't do nothing in Haiti. 4,000 Kenyans could have done nothing. The show your face operation was a waste of time. Best thing them can do is call it quits and wish them luck. Because a nation have gunmen who are willing to shoot up plane while land, so no more plane can land in my country. You must say Jamaicans love them foreign and say anyhow, 87 for your one shot for one plane, you want a mother calling a station and give him up. It's a different type of gang we talk about. It's a type of gangs me the one on about. Say Haiti is not Spanish town. Haiti is not Montego Bay. I can see how far this escalates. But just imagine an entire country. Man I tell you say no more plane can fly them for 30 days. Crippling. Not just the transportation between two countries them. But imagine all the whole parcels and imagine how much things go in and out of Haiti from foreign. Well, everything. I Haiti no make nothing. How much people order the latest iPhone and I expect if you get delivered and I know you can't reach. Then man realize that 10 days pass, 20 days pass, 30 days pass and that on the next 30 days. Then man start look on why the gang them are going so. And now start to appease the gangs. Because there's two ways you can do it. Appease the gangs or crush the gangs. But in Haiti, it's unrealistic to crush the gangs. So the next move is to appease the gangs. That's what's going to happen. It's not like Ironman where you can crush the gangs. That's why I say, them can do it but they don't want to do it. Jamaican gangs can absolutely be crushed. Not Haitian gangs. Not with the quote-unquote international force that's there now. The Haitian army, the Haitian police, not strong enough to do it. Matter of fact, the gang them control the Haitian police. The gang leaders are police in Haiti. But if we see it work out, and I must look at YouTuber. I try bad mind some scammers, so. The experts say them can go, they go fix this and fix that. So if we see it work out now. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life, Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.